Hello everybody, my name is Raj Vora, and I'm the brand ambassador here at edYOU. So today I wanted to take a couple of minutes and show you around our platform. So with that being said, let's get started with the home page. So this is the page you're going to be presented with every single time you log in. So to start off, you have your nav bar on the left. So you have courses, course quiz, infinite course prep, infinite test prep, math scratchpad, your history, references, and help. So we'll be going a deep dive into each of these things in later videos. And then on the right of it, you can see pick up where you left off. So what you see here is if you have any test prep left over that you haven't finished, or you have any courses left over that you haven't finished, here's a quick and easy way to jump right back in. And then on the right, what we have is your calendar progress. So over here, it's going to show you how many points you've earned throughout the day, how many tests you've taken, how many lessons you've completed. It's all going to be demarcated down here. So this is an easy, quick way to keep track of your progress. And then down below, we have the weekly study time. So this is exactly what it sounds like. It's going to show you how many hours you've logged throughout the week, what are your high days, what are your low days. And on the right of it, we have the test performance. So this is going to show you how you're doing on your test overall. And right below that, we have a notes section. So over here, if you have any assignments or you have anything you want to keep track of, this is a perfect place to jot down, and then you'll be reminded every single time you log in. And at the very bottom, we have our conversational AI beings. So treat her like a tutor. You can ask her for any questions you have. If you need help, if you want it to be explained in another way, she's going to be always there for you, whether you want to chat or you want to use the mic. That's our starting point. And this is essentially where you're going to begin your journey every single time you log on to edYOU. And in the next video, I'll be breaking down what our courses section look like.